In this video, I'll show you how to add drop-down lists in Canva Sheets. So, to get started, go ahead and open canva.com on your preferred browser and then sign in or sign up for an account. So, I would like to sign up or sign in with mine using my Google account for easier account creation or account access. So once you're signed in into your Google account, you'll get redirected to your Canva dashboard. So this is how it will look like. On your Canva dashboard, go ahead and click on the Sheets tool to be able to create a Canva Sheets, and that will redirect you into this canvas. So on your canvas, go ahead and double click on the cell that you want to use first for creating the drop down list. So you'll need to double click on it, and this tool section will pop above it. So simply select actions from here and then scroll down and look for drop down under the insert section. And then in here, you'll need to click on create drop down. And then once you have created the drop down, you can go ahead and modify the options under it. And that is how you can basically add drop down lists in Canva Sheets. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.